Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the question that is what is the uses of aldehyde and ketones. Do you know this question which is present in our textbook? Do you know what is uses of aldehyde and ketones? Okay, so we take some basics. What is the use of aldehyde and ketone in the Na compound? So first of all we take do you know the question, what is the use of aldehyde and ketones? Okay, so that is called as do you know. Do you know the use of the aldehyde and ketones? So the aldehyde, that is called as the what? Benzene attached to the CHO group. The name of compound is called what here? So the name of this compound is called as what here? The benzaldehyde. What here? Benzaldehyde. And these benzaldehyde is used. In the what here? Almond, bitter almond for flavor. It means the benzaldehyde which is presents as or which is used as the bitter almond flavor. यानी अगर आपको almond मतलब बादाम वगैरह का फ्लेवर अगर ऐड करना है तो ये almond का जगह मतलब बादाम के फ्लेवर के लिए क्या यूज़ करते हैं हम लोग? benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde are used in the for bitter or as a bitter what here? The almond flavor. Formula: benzene attached to CHO called as the benzaldehyde. Now second, this compound vanillin is a name of compound vanillin. Structure benzene attached to CHO OCH3 called as the vanillin is a one type of a chemical which is present as the aldehyde group. So this aldehyde means a vanillin are used as a vanilla flavor in the many different ice cream. Clear? So these are vanillum and the vanilla are used as different types of flavor. So this benzaldehyde or aldehyde called as a vanilla is used as a vanilla flavor. What is the vanilla flavor? Clear beta? Now next, this third, that is called as what here? The benzene attached to CH double bond CH single bond CHO called as a cinnamaldehyde. The special name of compound called what here? Cinnamaldehyde. This cinnamaldehyde are used as the cinnamon flavor. You know cinnamon, cardamom, longer इलायची चलती है हम बोलते हैं, ठीक है? तो cinnamon called as what here? The इलायची है ना? तो इलायची की जो फ्लेवर होता है बेटा, so cinnamon is are used as cinnamon flavor. It means the cinnamaldehyde are used as the cinnamon flavor. What here? The cinnamon flavor. Clear beta? Next, we take the fourth here, camphor. The structure of this, what here the like that of a which chain? It is a bridge-like structure of a camphor. So camphor is called as a contain a ketone group. In a camphor which contain this CO group called what here? It is called as a ketone group. And these ketone group are used as what here? Camphor for the camphor fragrance. Fragrance called what here? Flavor. So this camphor, it means this types of ketones are used. It means the structure of camphor contain a ketone, and this ketone are used as a camphor fragrance. Means odor of camphor. So it is all about the what here? The different uses of benzaldehyde and the what here? Ketones. Next use of this aldehyde and ketones. First, acidophenone are used as the pistachio, means pista, इसे बोलते हैं बादाम पिस्ता जो होता है ना. So the acidophenone is used as pistachio for in the ice cream flavor. इन आइसक्रीम में जो पिस्ता होता है तो पिस्ता का फ्लेवर कौन यूज़ करता है? कौन सा कंपाउंड यूज़ करते हैं हम लोग? केमिकल एसिडोफेनॉन. So acidophenone is used as what here? Pistachio for the ice cream as a flavor. Clear? Next, in a popcorn contain butane 2,3-dione means ketones. So the flavor of popcorn, it contain what here? Butane 2,3-diones. For the best flavor we use what here? Butane 2,3-dione for the popcorn. Clear? Next, The muscone is a one type of musky means aroma which are used in the perfume. So this perfume also contains aromatic compound like benzaldehyde or aldehyde. So aldehyde are used as a musky or aroma in perfume. What here? That is called as what here? Muscon has a musky for aroma or that is called as for the perfume. And perfume musky means perfume में भी हम लोग aldehyde का use करते हैं, ठीक है. So it is all about what? Do you know the uses of aldehyde and ketones? Clear beta? Now we take the question next here. The classification of carboxylic acid. You know what is carboxylic acid? So any compound which contain a COH group called as the carboxylic group. Means what here? COOH group. It is called as what here? Carboxylic group. Clear? So any compound which contain a C double bond OH group called what here? Carboxylic group. So carboxylic group also have two types. First called as aliphatic carboxylic acid and second is called as what here? Aromatic carboxylic acid. Okay? So we take the first here, aliphatic carboxylic acid. Equal to what here? The aliphatic aldehyde, aromatic aldehyde, same here aliphatic ketone and aromatic ketone, and third here same. The carboxylic acid are divided into two types, aliphatic carboxylic acid, second is called as what here? The aromatic carboxylic acid. Now we started here, the first, what is the aliphatic, what here? Carboxylic acid. So we started here the aliphatic carboxylic acid. Do you know what is the aliphatic carboxylic acid? So it is defined as the carboxylic group, means which group? This group, COH group attached to the alkyl group or attached to any one alkyl group, it is called as the aliphatic carboxylic acid. For example, acetic acid, formula CH3COOH, this carboxylic group attached to the any alkyl group, this CH3 called alkyl or it is also write a methyl. So this CH3 group attached to COH group, the name, special name of this compound is called what here? It is called as the acetic acid. So the aliphatic carboxylic group is defined as the compound in which the carboxylic group attached to the any alkyl group, it may be CH3 group, it may be C2H5 group. So the carboxylic group attached to the any alkyl group, it is called as what here? What? Aliphatic carboxylic acid. Second example, RCOH means carboxylic group attached to any alkyl group means R called as a what here? Aliphatic carboxylic acid. R replaced by CH3, it is called as acetic acid. Clear hai? So it is called as what? Beta? Aliphatic carboxylic acid. Any carboxylic acid in which the carboxylic group means COH group attached to the aliphatic straight chain, it contain a straight chain what here? Alkane, or means the R group called as what here? The also the aliphatic carboxylic acid. Clear? Next here we take, you know, so aliphatic carboxylic acid also divided into different types depend upon the number of carboxylic group means COH group. So this aliphatic carboxylic acid further divided into the what here? First, monocarboxylic acid. What here beta? Monocarboxylic acid. Second B, dicarboxylic acid. Monocarboxylic acid, dicarboxylic acid. Clear beta? Next, third C point here, tricarboxylic acid or polycarboxylic acid. Tricarboxylic acid or polycarboxylic acid. Clear beta? So first of all, what is monocarboxylic acid? So it is defined as those carboxylic acid which contain only one carboxylic group called as a monocarboxylic acid. For example, acetic acid means CH3COH group it contain only one COH group called as what here? The monocarboxylic acid. Second, dicarboxylic acid. Any compound which attached to the two COH group means what here? So CH3 attached to what here? CH2 single bond COH, CH2 single bond COH. It is called as what here? Dicarboxylic acid. Clear? Third, tri or polycarboxylic acid. It means it contain what here? Different types of the three auxilic group, means CH2 COH, then CH single bond COH, then CH2 COH. It is called what here? Glycerol or what here? Tricarboxylic acid. So depend upon the group here. Any compound which contain one auxilic group called as monocarboxylic acid, it contains a two carboxylic group called as a dicarboxylic acid. It contains more than two, means three carboxylic acid called as a tricarboxylic acid or polycarboxylic acid. Clear? So it is a what? The question, classify the what here? Carboxylic acid. So we classify into two types, aliphatic and aromatic. Aliphatic have further three types, A, B, C. Now we take the 2 point here. What here? So we started 2 point here. Point number 2 we started here. What? Aromatic carboxylic acid. What here? Aromatic carboxylic acid. It is defined as the carboxylic group is directly attached to the ring. Is directly attached to which ring? Especially benzene ring called as the aromatic carboxylic acid. For example, benzoic acid means COH group attached to the benzene. It is called what here? Benzoic acid. What here beta? So any compound in which the carboxylic group is directly attached to the benzene ring or ring, it is called as the aromatic carboxylic acid. For example, benzoic acid. Second example, what is phthalic acid? Means a benzene attached to two COH group. It is called as what here? Phthalic acid. And this phthalic acid is also example of what here? The aromatic, what here? The aromatic carboxylic acids. So in this way we started here the question, what here? Do you know the uses of aldehyde and ketone? ये याद रखना है बेटा आपको CET के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कि वेनिला का स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, फार्मूला क्या है, वेनिला है. देन बेटर एलमोंड के अंदर कौन सा अल्डिहाइड यूज़ करते हैं? सेनेमोल्डिहाइड, एसिडोफिनोन, ये आपको याद रखनी है. कैम्फर के लिए कौन सा यूज़ करते हैं हम लोग? कीटोन, उसे बोलते हैं हम लोग कैम्फर फ्रेग्रेंस. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन स्टार्टेड नेक्स्ट ईयर. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. So you know the functional group of carboxylic acid is what here? COH. So the carboxylic acid have two types. First called what here? Aliphatic carboxylic. Second is called what here? The aromatic carboxylic acid. You know what is aliphatic carboxylic acid? So the carboxylic acid in which the carboxylic group attached to the any alkyl group. It may be alkyl means methyl, ethyl depend upon the carbon. So it is called what here? The aliphatic carboxylic acid. Example, acetic acid or this carboxylic acid. Now this acetic acid or carboxylic acid further divided into the depend upon the quantity of the COH group called as the carboxylic group. So what here? Monocarboxylic, mono means one COH group, di means two COH group, and tri means or poly called as what? Three COH group. Example like that of this. Okay. Now last. Second type of the classification of carboxylic acid called as what here? Aromatic carboxylic acid. It is defined as those carboxylic acid in which the COH group attached to the what here? Benzene ring. So it is called as what here? The aromatic carboxylic acid. Example, benzoic acid. Second, phthalic acid, etc. And you know the uses of this carboxylic acid. So these carboxylic acids are used as in many different types of a chemical. It is also present in the citrus fruits or like that of lemon, orange. All these source contain fruit called as the acid. Any fruits which taste is source, it means acid which have taste source is in nature. That's why this source fruit, nature of the source fruit contain what here? The carboxylic acid. Example, lemon, orange. All this lemon, orange called as the citrus fruits, it contain which acid? This lemon, orange contain a citric acid. It is called as citrus fruits. So it is the uses of this carboxylic acid. Okay. तो बेटा यहाँ पे हमने थर्ड पॉइंट फिनिश किया, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. ओके, इस तरीके से हमारा ये टॉपिक फिनिश हुआ. ठीक है, नोट्स आपको प्रिपेयर करनी है इसमें, और जो प्रॉब्लम अगर रहा तो आप पूछ सकते हैं. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.